You know it's a KONQUERA sound, mad. Brand new. We out here smash hard for Connecticut, you know. We're gonna see if it's Mingy in here like they say. I see a lot of buns out here. The buns is on deck with Kunta Kinte and all my other relatives. I see them with the nice shirts on. You feel me? Nice complexions. Some of them look kind of hot. It's kind of cold, but some of them do look kind of hot. You feel me? The other ones look cold as hell. But it's real. We out here, man. Hard. We living our life. Self-promotion, best promotion. Buns on deck. Y'all see him. We out here, man. We turned up, man. We turned up, man. You feel me? Got their nice eyebrows going on. You feel, I don't know if they got them plucked, wax, or done by the string, but they shit looking right. They shit looking alright. You feel me? They smell good over there in that area. Alright. But that's what it is, man. We out here. Birthday girl, hey, y'all looking good. Look good for the camera. Look good. Smile. Y'all came out here doing all that. Smile. All right, girls. Hey. Don't get me started. We out here. You know I love the buns on deck. I ain't afraid of no girls. You know this already. You know I love the difference. You know that already. Sorry. Alright, bingy.
It's a KONQUERA sound to the world. When they dip on the bad mind thing, they get good over evil every time.